Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So by the title of the video you already know what it is, so subscribe if you're a cheapskate and you love getting things at a very low price. And today I'm in Thata Save and just doing a cheapskate kind of thing. I am going to show you what's there. We have vases and flowers, you know, all your decor stuff like this one. This is actually my type of thing. They are going for 55 pula. Like, you get this little piece for 55 pula and your house, you have it looking good. If you are new here, please go and look at my other videos. Look at what they have. They have plastic storage containers which is actually divided, and you can put your soap, your toothbrushes, whatever inside. The bathroom kind of stuff, and it's going for just $10.99. and this is a 3 canister thing. It's 149 pula, which is like a little bit above $10, which is okay. And they have all types of kettles. Look at how beautiful they are, and only $400 to get this type of kettles. You can't get it anyway with that price. They have all your Instagram and Pinterest kind of stuff. Anything that you see on Instagram, look at this. This one is a little bit pricey though, because it's $69.99. Look at this. It's a saucer, a cup, and a golden spoon. Like, you have your sugar storages for $49.99. you have your mugs for $15, which is like $1. Like, where can you get a cup for $1, guys? Where? Show me and I'll go there. And then they have these ones that are smaller in sizes. If you are a tea lover, it's perfect for you. If you love hosting, they have all kinds of stuff for you. This one is old-fashioned and it's 22 pula. Not my kind of stuff, but yeah, you can buy for those oldies at home. And this one is $199.99. That's like $19, $18. It's just a tray with 2 sets of cups and a kettle. And here we have a 15 pula bowl. It's like $1 bowl. They have pots of all types and sizes. Kitchenware. That was a dish drainer, and it's going for $99.99. you have your cleaning utensils, dustpans for only 10 pula. Like, that's less than $1, less than $1 for those outside Botswana. That's less than $1. And you have your stainless steel jewelry hangers, which are going for 25 pula 95. You have your mop covers, you have your brooms from 15 pula to 50 pula. It's just a lot of stuff in here. They have all types of trash cans or bins, all sizes too. Here you can put your plants in. It's just 150 pula. It's so nice and it's so cheap compared to other decor shops or interior decor shops. But Thata Save has a lot to offer. It really has a lot to offer, because it offers beyond kitchenware, cleaning materials. They have clothes inside. This is a storage thing that you can actually suspend on the wall, suspend on another thing. When I say cheap, this is what I mean. These shoe racks are only for 9 pula. Like, can you really get that for $1? Can you really get that for $1? It's actually less than it. They have camp chairs, they have butterfly chairs from 50 pula, which is like $4. They have all types of buckets, big buckets, small buckets, mopping buckets. They have all type of lunch boxes for only from 10 pula, which is $1, to $25. They have all types of laundry baskets. This one is $65.95, and they have this kind of bags. I don't know what they are called. I just don't know, but the quality is amazing. The quality is impressive, very impressive. If you love hosting, this thing is for you. Look at this. You will really make an impression on your host. They will actually ask you, who is the plug? And then you tell them that I'm the plug. They should come to this video and see everything that is in here. Look at this. If you love gold plated stuff, oh my god, from only 10 bucks. And look at this. I mean, I just love how cheap it is, you know. I love how cheap it is. This is where you can get all your things. This is my kind of stuff. This bowel is actually something that I would buy. It's 20 pula, so I would actually buy it, but I'm not buying it now. It's something that I would buy. They have sauces in all colors, and they are going for less than $50. 6 pula. Oh, but just come and buy. Just come to the shop and see for yourself. Reminds me of this other advert. I'm not gonna say it. And they have all types of forks, all types of utensils, ice cream scoops. I have like for a price that you will not even imagine. They have all type of mixers and vegetable drainers, and I am getting this vegetable drainer because it's $79.99. Very cheap and easier to use. They have all baskets of all kinds. Look at this. The quality is very impressive. I am getting myself this one of these days, not today, one of these days, and this one is $29.99. It's made of cotton. This one is $69, and it's steel. It's made out of steel. They have mixers, your dish washing cloths, your cleaning cloths, like any type of thing that you want, you would get it here. It's Thata safe, guys. Thata safe and bus rank. Look at this. You have your baking needs covered, only 15 pula. This is just like $1. Your cake cutters, your pizza cutters, everything, your storage units. This one is $39.99. I don't know what I would store it in, but yeah, you have your measuring spoon for 7 pula, your sieve or your filters for from 6 pula to 15 pula, and the quality is amazing, pretty impressive. Look at this. Just look at it. You can use this for years. It reminds me of my childhood. Actually, we had one of those. And then when I say they have everything, look at this. These are kids' bicycles. Boys, girls, you get everything that you want here. You have walkers, you have primers, and they have this Instagram kids cars, which is 2,500 pula, which is like $250, and you use electricity to charge them. So yeah, sustainable. And here are jelly colored, all type of kids toys or kids needs. You have it covered right here. We are back to plates. If you love gold plated stuff, this is the shop, and it's actually giving me an idea. If you want to gift someone something, this shop is the place. It has gift ideas. I don't know, I'm looking for the perfect word, but I can't find it. If you love hosting again, this is the thing. Look, oh my god, serving your guests in this. I am getting myself this 4 of this plate. This is my kind of thing. It's only 13 bucks, so I'm getting 4 of this. I love the bowl too. I love these bowls too, but I don't like the art outside of these bowls. I don't like the art. It's $14.99. very cheap. I'm getting myself this too. It's 18 pula. I'm getting this set of 4. I think would be perfect. This is actually my kind of stuff. If you come to my place and eat dinner, and this, you know where I bought it, okay? And this is the bowl that I want. I'm getting 4 of these too. They are very cheap. I'm getting 4. Imagine having breakfast and those. Here are flip-flops, all types of shoes they have, and here is where you store your sugar, your coffee, your your creamers, cleaning stuff, cleaning supplies. You have it all here. They have this set of cups. It's only $79.99. This also it's actually the smaller size. Yeah, size really doesn't matter, guys, so just get the cups and get the hell out of here. And they have this. I don't know what I would use those. This is perfect for Indians, you know, this kind of plate, because you put your food stuff there and then you put your sauces on the smaller spaces. This is perfect. If I had an Indian friend, that would be a great gift. They have vegetable choppers for only 80 pula. They have casseroles. Where can you get a casserole like this for 50 pula? Where? Show me. Like, this one is my favorite. If I have money, or when I have money, I'll come get 2. Yeah. Here they have vases and candle holders for 39.99. They have your bowel clips for 15 pula. They have your peelers, your vegetable peelers for your potatoes, your carrots for only 10 pulas. Very cheap. Your ice cube tray for 15 pula. Like, if you stay in places like Maung, you can come and get stock from here. You can buy this from here and you sell at a higher price in those places. I mean, it's a good business idea to look at this set. Look at this set. It's a tray, comes with a set of 4 cups and a kettle, which goes for 150 pula. Tell me that you have seen it cheaper elsewhere. I bet you won't, because this is the only place where you can get it. You have your baking tray, you have your 7 bowls. Like, your guests will have to love get their food from this. Look at this. If you are in catering business too, this is the place to go for your shopping needs, because this is where you put your salads, where you put your stews, where you put anything that you want there. If you are in catering business, this shop has something for you too. Your kids party cups are here. So, and they're actually reusable. Look at this. If I say, if you love hosting, if you have a catering business, you should come to this shop. This is exactly what I mean. Look at this. They have vases of all kinds from 39.99. Look at this. This one is actually taller, and look at this one. This one is smaller and it's 39.99. How beautiful is it though? How beautiful is it? I want every girl in this country to have a vase in their room, so you can buy yourself flowers. Okay, no one is going to buy you flowers. You know how these niggas are. And this one is 10.99, so I'm just gonna get myself 6 of this. I love it. I'm going to get myself 6 of this, and I think that's the last thing that I'll get from this shop, because I don't have money is not in my pockets. Money is not in my bank account. Money is not in my wallet, but it will be. I think so. It will be. These are my kind of mugs going for 9.99, and your rainbow colored cups, your gold plated cups. Oh my god, I should get this for myself. Not today though, very soon, because the money is not there right now. But I should get myself this because it's 179. If you love me, if you really love me, please get me this. Get me this. It's 139. I will be planting a flower soon, a bigger flower, so I would love to have it in my house. So this is the perfect gift. And this one, I can put my flowers here and there. They have gift bags of all sorts and kind from 3 pula. Kids learning materials. Here they can learn flags, body parts. They can learn numbers, vegetables and fruits, and all kind of stuff for only 25 pula. You get this, and for 10 pula they have all kinds of shoes too. These ones are just like the dirty ones, like last of the range, so they've been in the shop for so long, so they just put them in one place. They don't care about them. The price is so low that you'll be surprised. And here are these carpets, which are so 2020 for for $89.99. Your Instagram shoes for 50 pula, that's like $4. Your flip-flops for 8 pula. Your Crocs, oh my god, someone get me this bowel. I'm getting 2 of these bowels. They are 25 pula each, which is 50 pula for 2. This is the last thing I will be getting. I'm getting like the purple one and the white one. So if I ever make a video and you see something from this shop crossing, just know that I got it from this shop. They have all kinds of water bottles. This one's at $25.95. I wouldn't get those ones though. I really like this one for $25.95. This one is for $25 too, but I wouldn't get that one. Your jewelry, like everyone these days is working some food jewelry. I think this is where you should get them, and you have them from 5 pula. You have your shower caps for 3 pula. This is the bottle that I would actually get. This is the bottle that I would actually get because it's 80 pula. It's bigger and it actually lasts. You have your padlocks, your bandana for 5 pula. Once again, if you love catering, if you are in catering business, if you love hosting, this is a shop. Look at this with its stand. Look at this. I saw this at ShopRite the other day, but the stand were white. No, there was just stainless steel, not gold. This brush, I used to love this brush for washing my shoes because it's hard and stuff like that, but one guy said it reminds him of his childhood and childhood trauma. So whenever I see it, I just remember the guy, and I'm just like, oh no, I'll get a different brush because you know. Anyway, let's move on. They have lint removers for $9.99. Lint removers for $9.99. They have packs. They have like your thread and needle for 5 pula. They have lint removers again, and steel wool for $2.99. Very cheap, very cheap. Your socks. They have all the kind of mats. We are back. This is the fluffiness that I want. No, I don't want this one. This one is 100 pula, but I want this one for 320 because the fluffiness, baby, the fluffiness. Look at this. They have hats. Hey, I'm tired of seeing hats, guys. You remember the other video of mine that has hats? I just don't like the hats these days. Your Instagram shoes are here. Like, oh my god, you see celebrities rocking these ones. These ones are replicas, so they are not originals, but let's say it, guys. Anyway, follow me on Instagram at breathtakingly African, and don't forget to subscribe here and share. Bye bye.